Hey y'all, I'm Abby, More Than Just Skin, and welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm thrilled you took some time out of your day to spend a little bit of time here with me. Today's video is about under eye brightening, or how to make your under eye look brighter. Now, this video came to my attention because I was at Christmas at my mom's and a friend of mine said, can you give me some suggestions on how to make my under eyes look brighter? And I started thinking, well, yeah, but that might be a great video. So I gave her some tips of some products to use, but then I started thinking I should make a whole video on this. So that is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you how I go about making my under eyes look brighter. Now, I feel like we need to differentiate between brighter and lighter, because you can make them look as light as you want by going lighter with the color of your concealer. I don't typically like to do that because I don't really like my under eyes to look a different color than the rest of my face. I like them to look brighter, not lighter. So I'm going to show you how I achieve that. So if you're interested in seeing how I get my under eyes to look like that, hit that subscribe button and keep watching. Okay, so I already have foundation on. As you can see, it's kind of a brightening foundation, or a luminous foundation, I guess I should say. It's the Flower Beauty one, but I didn't bring it in here or I would show it to you. But I, of course, did my skincare, primer, all of that. Now, you can start, and I would recommend, if you're dealing with darkness under your eyes and you're wanting it to be bright, a brightening eye cream. This is the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. I love this one. This is my go-to daytime eye cream. For some reason today, when I knew I was going to do this video, I didn't apply it, so I don't have that on. So we're actually going to be doing a brightening under eye look without the benefits of that eye cream. So what I usually do whenever I have, now I've already concealed too around my face because I have a few breakouts, so I already did that. So the next deal is to, of course, put your foundation on and then go in with the concealer under your eye. You can go as bright as you want, and the way you do this is by going lighter with your concealer. Now, I don't like to be really light under my eyes. I just don't. I like to be more luminous, more brightening like that, but not lighter. So I really don't even have any concealers that are exceptionally lighter. Now, one of the concealers that I think is great for brightening your under eye is the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Treatment Concealer by Maybelline. I have it in the shade Neutralizer. It comes in the shade Brightening. If you want a brighter under eye, that's the way to go as far as I'm concerned. Another way to go, but it's definitely on the higher end side, is the Trish McEvoy Instant Eye Lift. This too has that brightening effect. Both give you that glow under your eyes. Both are really good. But for purposes of this video today, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Just kind of a normal, it's not kind of, it is a normal everyday concealer. I do not like the packaging, but it's probably one of the lighter concealers I have, and that's why I chose it for this video. Again, like I said, I don't really like to go too bright under my eye. Now, one thing you can do is sometimes I go and do like a V. Not all the time. For this video, I will show you how you can do that. Do a V to really get, and I forgot my beauty blender. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my sponge, and I'm just going to work that in to give you some brightness under the eye. Take it. Now, you can see it's a little bit brighter, but it's not like jump out in your face noticeably lighter, because that's not the look I'm going for. I'm not going for like a completely like totally contoured type look. So I just like to take a color that is similar to my skin tone, but maybe just a little bit lighter, but nothing too drastic. Of course, if you are wanting to go lighter, you can definitely do that. So then what I would do is, I've got to set my whole face, so I'm just going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and I'm just going to set my face. And you're probably thinking, what does this have to do with her brightness of her under eye? Well, we're going to get to that. But I feel like you kind of need to see all of these steps to get the full picture of how to do it. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to bronze my face. And I'm using the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer. And I'm just going to swirl my brush in that, tap some off, and just bronze up the face. Down the neck. Okay, now that that's done, this is the next step that I consider to be crucial on making your under eyes look brighter. And it is setting your under eyes. I am using the RCMA No Color Powder that I have decanted into this little bamboo container that I got off of Amazon. You can use any type of powder, but the RCMA one, it calls itself No Color Translucent, but you can see it's very white looking. I think if you go in with a lighter powder, such as this one, or the Secret Brightening Powder by Laura Mercier, or just any kind of translucent powder that is maybe got a little bit of this white tone to it, you are going to, and I'm just swiping it away, I'm not baking by any means, but you can instantly see it's lighter. I mean, even though this is a no color powder, it just looks lighter because I packed it on there the way I did with a denser brush, and then I swept it away. It looks brighter. Now, for me, the game changer, what instantly makes your under eyes look better, Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana. Okay, so I take a smaller brush. This is just an e.l.f. small tapered brush. I run that in there, tap it off, and I am just lightly dusting it around my eyes. This has a slight sheen to it, but I honestly think it's such a light sheen that it does not, I don't think that it accentuates any kind of fine lines or wrinkles. I think that it makes the area around your eyes look so good. I think a woman of any age could wear that, and y'all, it's $5 at the drugstore. Again, it is the Wet n Wild Color Icon. It's considered a bronzer, but it's in Reserve Your Cabana. Okay, I'm going to pop off camera, do the rest of my makeup, come back, show y'all the final look, and we'll wrap this up. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I went and put on some lipstick, some eyes, and blush, and finished everything up. And I think you can still see that the under eye area still looks brighter. I really, truly think the key is that Wet n Wild color icon. Now, you don't have to run out and purchase that. If you have an Hourglass powder, or you have, say, one of the glow powders by Laura Mercier, something with a light sheen to it. I think Milani has one, the is it Prep Set and Glow? I think that's the one. I have the Milani one, I just can't think of the name of it. But I really think if you're going to get one, go get the Wet n Wild one. I really truly think it's the best one, and it's $5. So if you enjoyed this type of video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. I would love to have you back here on a regular basis. And as always, I hope this video finds you having a fantastic day and a great week, and I will see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.